For breakfast today, I'm going to be making an acai bowl, and I'm using some frozen banana, some acai powder, and some of this vanilla earth protein from Bulk Nutrients. And you guys may have noticed that I've been eating a lot more like protein powder in my smoothies lately, and the reason for that is just that I find that it's so much more sustaining. If I don't use it, then I'm hungry like a couple of hours later, whereas if I do use it, then it sustains me for, you know, maybe like 3 to 4 hours, and that's just a lot more convenient for me. So yeah, that's the deal with that. I'm going to be topping my bowl with some mango. This is quite a large one, so I'll probably top it with half and then eat the other half like on the side, I guess. I'll also add some bikinis on top, some shredded coconut, and a few strawberries. For lunch today, I'm having some rice with chickpeas, corn, and green peas. And I didn't show you guys how I prepared it, but it's like super simple. It's basically just a tin of chickpeas and some cooked rice and some frozen peas and corn that I just put together and put in the microwave. And with that, I'm going to have some cucumber, tomato, and this is just some grated zucchini. And I'm also going to add in some baby spinach. I'll chop it up a little bit when I've got some more room on my board, because that's kind of taking up all the space. For dinner today, I'm having some potatoes, and I've just sliced them up and I'm going to cook them in my sandwich press as usual. So my potatoes are done, and I might also have some veggies after this, or I might just have this. I kind of just feel like potatoes, honestly. So this is what I'm going with for now.